What's up, guys? It's Ryan, and today I have a taco warehouse order. So yeah, let's get right into it. Got my fillet knife. Couldn't find any other knife. Don't ever cut towards yourself. Okay. You know that right there.
Why was Corbly barking?
Because.
A tech package kid?
Yep. You want to help me open it? Alright.
Oh, so it's a fishing thing for you?
Yep.
Whoa.
Here. I got this for you.
There's nothing in it.
Nope. Okay, I got just my tracking information right there.
The trash can's really cool.
Is it?
Pretty much.
Some 15-pound cigar
Whoa,
line.
that's cool.
Yep. Some weights. This is new hooks, trapper tackle. Look at them.
Whoa, those
Whoa.
are really sharp.
Yeah. Trapper tackle. They're 4-eye heavy
What are these? Those are kind of heavy, actually.
weights.
Weights?
These are. Yeah, these are 3/16-ounce tungsten weights.
Okay.
These are Lunker City weights.
You got two of them.
Yeah, but these are 1/4 ounce.
Oh,
Here's some 1/4 ounce black, just all black
what are these?
tungsten weights.
Some new fish things?
Yep. These are brush hogs, green pumpkin, red flake. Some more brush hogs. This is June bug.
June bug?
Yep.
That's cool.
And then we got some beaver baits. These are Reaction Innovations. And these are called Blank Check. And then
This one's called?
some more Reaction Innovations. And these ones are called California 420. They're basically a green pumpkin red flake. And then, let's see, it was $49.97.
$49.97?
Yep. So $50